Hey everyone, are you ready to take your fashion business to the next level? Well, let me introduce you to barbshai.com, your ultimate sourcing solution in the apparel industry. Trust me, this is a game changer. Barbshai.com isn't just any sourcing platform. It's a comprehensive hub where you can find everything from Oeko-Tex certified raw materials to full-scale garment manufacturing solutions. Whether you're looking to start small or expand your existing setup, Barbshai has got you covered. Now let's dive into how barbshai.com can revolutionize your business. First up, submitting your proposals. Imagine having access to thousands of suppliers at your fingertips, both domestic and international. That's right, thousands. This means more options, better quality, and competitive pricing, all tailored to meet your specific needs. And it's not just about the numbers. We're talking about a vibrant community with more than 1,000 buyers, including both domestic and international players. Think about the networking opportunities, the collaborations, and the endless possibilities for growth. But here's the kicker. Every day, hundreds of new posts are uploaded on barbshai.com. This constant flow of information ensures you never miss out on the latest trends or the most cost-effective solutions. It's like having a live update of the fashion market right at your desk. Now, let's touch on the logistics, the supply chain. Barbshai doesn't just connect you with suppliers and buyers, it also offers business consultancy. This means whether you're dealing with stock lots or need guidance on navigating complex supply chains, there's expert advice available. And with features like live chat and email support, help is always just a click away. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur in the fashion industry or looking to scale your existing business, barbshai.com offers a robust platform to support and grow your enterprise. It's time to step up your game, connect with thousands globally, and push your business beyond boundaries. Ready to revolutionize your fashion business? Head over to barbshai.com and start exploring the endless possibilities. I'll see you there.